Hi guys, Felix from quadcopterguide.com here, and today I want to show you the DJI Spark portable charging station. If you're constantly on the run like me, this is definitely worth checking out. Here you can see it in the official charging station bag. I've linked this and the charging station below in the description. Feel free to check it out. It's a nice EVA PU coated case, also water resistant, and it even has a little spot for the remote control. So everything you need is in one convenient package. Besides the charger, of course, you have to carry that separately. There's a plastic release switch on the side here. If you slide that forward, this buckle comes up, and here you can see the Spark is stored in the center with, of course, a battery, and two additional batteries slide in at the bottom here. They're also securely locked in place. The charging station has the two charging ports for the batteries, the quad contacts for the battery in the bottom of the Spark, and even these propeller storage areas. I'll show you that in a second. On the sides, on the front, you have a 5 volt, which is the normal USB voltage port, that'll charge at 2 amps. So you can charge your tablet, phone, anything basically that you can charge with a USB cable. This, as you can tell, is the same exact charging cable port as the normal Spark multi-battery charger. It comes with, the charging station itself comes with another charger, so now I've got two. I had got the Flymore package, and there's a standard brick that came with. So the charging station comes with the battery brick. And there's also a micro USB port for firmware updates in the future, if those are needed. And on the front, you can see it says Spark. So we take the batteries, just push them down and then backwards. They lock into place. And then the Spark, when you're done flying, you just put it in like this. You can close the cover. And what I was talking about earlier with the propeller holders, you can push them like this and then the propellers won't move. So they're also secure. And you can rotate it however you want. Everything stays nice and safe. You can check the battery level of the charging station by tapping the button once and letting go. 4 LEDs means it's a full charge. To turn it on, tap, release, tap and hold. And to turn it off, you tap, release, and tap and hold. Now the charging station's off. The charging station is powered by a 5,000 milliamp hour battery. To charge that with nothing else in it, just take the cable and plug it in. From empty, it'll charge to full in about 1 hour and 35 minutes. If you were to charge the charging station from empty along with 3 empty batteries, it would take you around 3 hours to charge the station and the 3 batteries to full while plugged in to AC power. So disconnected from AC or external power, the charging station itself will charge 3 Spark batteries from empty all the way full. The way it does this is the battery in the Spark will get charged first, and then based on the remaining power level of the 2 spare batteries, the one with the highest remaining battery level will get charged second, and then the third battery third. It does this so you get as many batteries full as quickly as possible. So let's take a look at how long it took me to charge 3 batteries in the charging station. While the batteries are charging, you can also charge any USB device, or even if you're not charging batteries, you can do the same. It can act just like a huge power bank. You take your USB cable for your device and plug it in here on the front onto USB port. And now you can charge at up to 2 amps whatever device you have plugged in. Before, if I wanted the best protection for the Spark, I would take the styrofoam hard case for the Spark and 2 extra batteries, and the soft bag to house the charger, the charging plate, the brick, and the remote control, since it didn't all fit in one bag. Now I just take the portable charging station with its case, throw a brick in the backpack, and I'm good to go. And if I've sparked your interest in a charging station, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, in the description below I've got free resources such as our pre-flight checklist we created for you guys. And if you'd like to get updates on our videos such as our Mavic Air series we're working on, please hit that subscribe button and the little bell next to it. It'd really help us out. Thanks.